Welcome everybody to this Chatgpt tutorial and up-to-date full-feature breakdown. In this tutorial, we're going to give you a brief overview of what Chatgpt is, how to use it if you're a beginner, or even if you're an intermediate user but haven't yet fully got to grips with all the features. We'll give you a brief overview of what's on offer from Chatgpt 3.5 right through to Chatgpt 4, covering everything from plugins, custom instructions, Chatgpt Voice and Chatgpt Vision. So stay tuned, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can be alerted to more AI Snoop videos in the future. So, first things first. For those of you who are not so familiar with this seemingly magic artificial intelligence, here's a quick overview. Chatgpt was developed by OpenAI and first introduced to the public in 2021. At its core, Chatgpt is a language model designed to understand and generate human-like text based on the data it's been trained on. It's capable of answering questions, assisting with tasks, and even generating creative content. It uses advanced neural networks and algorithms to provide contextually relevant and coherent responses when you interact with it. Think of ChatGPT's brain as a network of tiny decision makers, each one specializing in understanding a small piece of language. When you ask a question, these decision makers work together to form a complete, coherent answer. This network of decision makers is what we call a neural network, and it's designed to mimic how our human brains process information. So now we know what it is, how can we use it to our advantage? Chatgpt can be a versatile tool for a variety of tasks. Information gathering. Need to know the capital of a country or how photosynthesis works? Just ask Chatgpt and you'll get a quick answer. Writing assistance. Whether it's drafting an email, writing an essay, or creating a script, Chatgpt can help you put your thoughts into words. Coding help. Stuck on a programming issue? Chatgpt can offer suggestions or even write the code itself. Creative projects. Looking for a story idea or need a poem? Chatgpt can generate creative content for you. Learning. You can use it to practice a new language, understand complex topics, or even get recommendations for further study. Daily tasks. Need a quick recipe or a reminder to send a birthday card or even organize your daily routine? Chatgpt can assist with that too. Decision making. If you're torn between options like which movie to watch or where to dine, Chatgpt can offer recommendations. It can even help with even more complex decision-making processes by offering an intelligent and measured approach. Emotional support. While it's not a substitute for professional help, it can offer a listening ear and some comforting words if you're feeling down. These are just some examples because the list is literally endless. Full feature breakdown. Chatgpt 3.5 is a behemoth. However, it is limited and only trained on data up to September 2019. But you can still perform many of the tasks already mentioned in this video. If you're a beginner, just start by asking questions or tell it what you need help with. Chatgpt 4, however, takes things to a whole new level. Users can now give high-level instructions to modify the AI's behavior throughout the conversation. And also take advantage of the following features. Custom instructions. Want it to sound like Shakespeare or mimic a formal tone? No problem. To use this, navigate to the left-hand side and open up the Settings tab, which you'll find next to your username. You can add things like, keep your answers short, address me by my first name, or program it to act and talk in any way you wish during your conversations with it. Voice integration. Chatgpt 4 isn't just about text. It's now integrated with voice functionality. This means you can have voice-based interactions with it. You can activate this feature within the app by clicking on the headphone icon. DALL-E. Users can generate images from textual descriptions. Whether it's a futuristic landscape or a surreal artwork, Chatgpt combined with DALL-E brings imagination to life. Plugins. Plugins allow Chatgpt to extend its core functionalities. Think of them as add-ons that can be integrated to enhance the AI's capabilities and can help ChatGPT seamlessly connect with external databases, tools, or services. This enables it to fetch real-time data, perform specific tasks, or even integrate with third-party applications. Advanced data analysis. This feature allows you to upload datasets to ChatGPT, which it can then analyze and then convert into graphs and charts to help you visualize the data in one go. Browse with Bing. Browse with Bing is a feature that allows ChatGPT to search the internet to help answer questions that benefit from recent information. Vision. ChatGPT's Vision feature can recognize and describe images with surprising accuracy. From identifying objects to understanding intricate patterns, its vision capabilities are vast. Simply upload any picture, whether it's a complicated graph, code, or data, or even just a photo of your dog, and you'll be amazed at how well ChatGPT can analyze and relay back to you what's in the picture. GPTs. This feature offers a new way for anyone to create a customized version of ChatGPT to enhance daily life, perform specific tasks at work or at home, and share it with others. Anyone can easily create their own GPT without coding. You can make them for personal use, your company, or make them available to the public, trained and designed to help with specific tasks. Now you know what you can do with ChatGPT, go and have some fun with it. And remember, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and we'll see you in the next video.